Hey guys, it's me. Today is Friday, October 30th, and we got all of these goodies just in time for Halloween. I know I said I wasn't going to get any more dolls, but these are it. I'm not doing any more dolls after these. These I am super excited for. So, let's get these open from smallest to biggest. Let's get this in here. Okay, let's get this straight. Okay, here we go. So, I'm going to start with this one. I know what's in them, but I don't know exactly in what order they are. So, you guys can't see. So once again, I found out about these dolls on a doll group. Someone had posted about them, and I was like, whatever. But then in one of the doll auctions, they were selling like hotcakes, and then I was up one night and I said, let me do a search, and I started searching, and I found one at a high price, but the seller gave it to me at a steal. And then my son found the second one, and here we are with 4 packages. So here we go. This will probably give you a hint into what's in these 3 boxes. So 2 boxes in 1 bag. So here we go. You see we have some really, really hot heels. Wish they were my size. So we have that. Then you have Sleeping Beauty there with her 2 bones. Silly girl. Okay. So we're done with this one. Here, hold that cat. Okay. I think I want to do this one next because I know what's in here. So I'm going to start with this one because I know what's in here and I can tell you the story behind her. You guys are heavy. Okay. So, get you straight. This doll I actually sold back in, I want to say 99, maybe 2000, when I found out I was pregnant with my son. So this doll is very special to me, the fact that I was able to find her. And supposedly she's in never removed, well, mint condition. She's never been removed from the box. So we will see about that. Surprisingly, I found her on Marketplace for $45. So I was happy. I mean, I've seen her on eBay for like $65 plus. Here we go, you guys. Tyler Wentworth doll. I love her and I miss her. Okay. This box over here. Scissors here. Okay, let's see. Got some weight to her. Oh my. Yeah, she's never been removed from her box. All of her accessories are still attached. So, we have our redhead Tyler Wentworth. Love her, missed her. So that's doll number one. I'll get her out the box after we open the other ones and I get them all situated. So that's dolly number one. Let's put you down there. Oh, my back hurts. A little stretch, you guys. Sorry. Oh gosh. Okay. Okay, so I know which one you are. This is the one that I found on OfferUp. She was originally listed as $200. She was the first doll that I saw. And she was actually one of the only dolls that I saw on OfferUp. She was listed as $2, but she had been sitting there for like 6 months plus. So I wasn't sure she was still available. So I sent the seller, gosh, what kind of tape did you use? I sent the seller, I sent the seller a message. She said she was still available. And I was like, okay, cool. No rush to get her, not at $200. So then the seller sent me a message maybe like, I don't know, maybe like an hour later after she told me she was available. She told me to make her an offer. And I was like, I don't know what these dolls go, well, it's a lie. I don't know what they're worth, but on the live doll shows I have seen them go for 150 plus, sometimes 200 plus. So, I mean, I knew what they go for, but just because someone is stupid enough, sorry, that's the only word I can come up with, but just because someone's stupid enough to pay $200, $300, $400 for something, that doesn't mean that that's what it's worth. That's my personal opinion. So I wasn't going to spend $200 outright on a brand new doll that I have no experience with. So I thought about it, and the next thing I know, she sends me an offer for $75. So this is a doll that I found on OfferUp for $75. All these big boxes. Okay, so we know who she is. See it on the box. Now let's see which one she is. Looking good, looking good. Wow, I love the red hair already. Look at that face. Those eyes. Everything looks to be still in its original packaging, so this was a hell of a buy for $75, in my opinion. So, we have this beautiful girl. I've already gone ahead and named her Roxy. So we have Tyler, who needs a name, Roxy, who has a name, and this girl, she was a Macari find. I'm not even sure why she was still on Macari, but she was another one where she'd been sitting there for a few months. Wasn't sure if she was still available, so I sent a message to the seller. She was available, surprisingly, so I just went ahead and bought her. No point in setting an offer. I wanted her, no doubt. So, here we go. No box. She's a used doll, but I wanted her. I'm surprised they both arrived today. Roxy was supposed to come yesterday, but she was definitely late. And here we go. Get the face. Here we go. So this is Lizette. I forgot which one she is, but I know she's a Lizette mold. And we have this wig. Originally I wasn't crazy about it, but after I saw it on her, I started to like it. So, let's see, we have our Velcro at the top, Velcro at the bottom if you can see it, Velcro back, Velcro top. So this will be my first time with a doll who wears wigs. So hopefully I'm doing this right. So, it's a funny little wig, but there it is. Gotta comb it out or whatever, but that's what she looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and get them ready and set up, and you guys will see them in a few. Okay guys, here they are. I dressed Lizette in this outfit that I ordered from eBay. Got the wig to look a little better. Here's Roxy, she's gonna be the nice witch for Halloween. And here's Miss Tyler Wentworth. I'm very happy with these Tonner dolls, and I think I have a new collection. Last one for the year, you guys, I swear. So, I have these girls. Palorinas, the Anastels, and the Patsy, and all of the Betsy's, Barbara's, and Drew's. And this is where the Ellowins and Tylers are gonna chill out. This row and that row might be their bedroom, but I'm still working some things out and waiting for some pieces of furniture to arrive. So this is it. These are going to be my last new collection, you guys. I'll probably add more dolls, but I'm happy and I love them. Hope you guys like them too. Thanks.